I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Riverwood Realty Instruction. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, med or assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First we will click enable editing. Okay, the title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Riverwood Realty Instructions. I have highlighted this. Okay, under this project description, you can see your project description. To get idea about your project, increase the font size of proper view in my video. Okay, now we will move on. The next question is question number 1. Okay, first we will select all instruction file, then increase the font size for a proper view in my video. Okay, and zoom it. Okay, question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Home Excel as. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson portal. Opening my Excel workbook. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button. Okay, now we will move on. The next question is question number 2 of this assignment. The question number 2 of this assignment is that freeze the panes so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. Basically, in this question, we will freeze the pane. Okay, so that the column label do not scroll the off screen. We will go to our Excel workbook. Go to the first. We will select first row. Okay, we will select first row. Go to the view tab. In the zoom group. In the window group, click on freeze pane button. Okay, we will click on freeze pane button in the window group. We will click on freeze top row button. Okay, top row is frozen right now. Now we will move on the next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 3. Convert the data to a table and name the table sales. Basically, in this question, we will convert the data to a table and then we will assign a table name to a sales. The first point of this question is that we will convert the data to a table. We will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button and then click on OK. Okay, you can see this data is converted into a table right now. Now we will assign the name of table to sales. We will copy this name sales and then we will assign our name of table to sales. We will go to the table design tab. In the properties group, click on the table name box and then we will assign our table name to sales. Okay, now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 4. Question number 4 is that apply purple table style dark tan to the table. Simply we will apply a table style purple table style dark tan to a table. We will go to our Excel workbook. Okay, and then we will apply the table style dark 10 to our table. Purple, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will apply our table style. You can read this instruction and we will go to our Excel workbook, click on table design tab. In the table style group, click on purple table style dark 10. We will go to the dark and then purple table style dark 10. You can see here purple table style dark 10. Okay, we will apply this style on the table. Then this question will be done. Okay, simply click on this style and then this style will be applied on the table. Now we will move on the next question. The next question is that question number 5. Question number 5 is that remove duplicates record from the table. Okay, we will remove the duplicates record from the table. Next part is that Excel should find and remove 8 duplicates record. Okay. The first point is that remove duplicates record from the table. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will remove the duplicates record from the table. Okay. Click on the table design tab. We will go to the table design tab in the tools group. Click on remove duplicates. Click on OK button. Okay, 8 duplicates value found and removed. 81 unique value remain. Note that counts may include empty cell space. It's click on OK button. Okay, click on simply OK button. You can read this. 8 duplicates value found and removed it. Okay, please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. I am doing this assignment very slow because my all student will be understand very well and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Simply click on OK button. Okay, simply click on OK button. Then duplicates record will be removed from the table. Now we will move on the next question. The next question is that okay. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is that add a new column in column I named days on market. Use unqualified structure references to calculate the days on market, sales date minus listing date. Column I. Set column I with to 14. Basically in this question we will have to add a new column I. Okay, we will have to add a new column. The column name is days on market. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will have to add a new column in the table. The new column name is days on market. Click on column I1. We will type days on market. Okay, new column will be added. The column name is days on market. Now use unqualified structured references to calculate the days on market. The formula is that sales date minus listing date. Simply click on I2, press is equal to sale dates minus listing date and then we will press enter. It will be find days on market in cell I2. Press enter. Okay, this is the formula and we will simply press enter. It will be find days on market in column I. Now we will move on next point, set column I with to 14. Okay, we will select column I and then we will set the column I with to 14. We will select column I, right click on column I, click on column with button and then we will set the data in column with to 14. We will change the data 14. Click on OK button. The column width of column I change to 14 points. Okay. Now we will move on next question. This question is done now. You can see on my PC screen I have done this question so well. Now we will move on the next question of this assignment. Okay, the next question of this assignment is question number 7. Question number 7 is that, okay, sorry, the last point was missing. Format the result as a general. We will select this and then apply general. Question number 7 is that question 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.